Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily adjust the sound settings on your Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Pro. So first head over to the settings. Now go over to display and sound. Here click sound. And now here, as you guys can see, we can disable the speakers. Now here we have the speaker delay. Now I put it on 130. And the audio is very delayed. Yeah, 250 is just too much. Just keep it at 0. Here we have Dolby audio processing. Here we can enable it. And here we can change the sound mode to, let's say, cinema, like we're watching a movie, or maybe, let's say, sports, if we're watching sports. Now here we also have dialogue enhancer. Here we can set it to low, medium, or high depending on our preference. So I keep it off because I'm not exactly sure how it's supposed to help, but you can guys try. And yeah, now the last one is reset those settings to default. So let me do that. And as you guys can see, now they are brought back to the default. So this is how you can easily adjust sound settings. That'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.